All right, so today is definitely a new one. For the first time ever on my Amazon channel, this is a propeller. Yes, literally a boat propeller. Strive for excellence. This is the front of the box. YHX logo here. Bottom doesn't have anything. The opposite side has essentially the same information. Qiclear Marine 14.5 by 19-inch outboard engine high performance propeller. How to find out the correct type of propellers. That's useful information. And this side, they specialize in stainless steel propellers, aluminum, plastic, jet ski, and outboard parts. So special thanks to the company for sending this to me. Not something I ever planned to be unboxing. Now, on the very top here, we do have some engine information. So the rotation is right. This is aluminum alloy made in China. Spline tooth is 15. Don't know what that means. And the engines, it looks like it's rated for 135 to 300 horsepower. Now there's no tape or anything on this, so we're just gonna pull these, get it open. I can't believe they put all of this nice picture for a propeller box. It just seems like a lot of work. Wow. Even that's got nice stuff on it. Okay. So let's see what this looks like. And that's it for that box. So here we have the hub assembly kit. Outboard propeller kits for Mercury's 300 horsepower. All right. And then this must be, yeah, that's the actual propeller. Wow. Never thought I'd hold one of these. Well, that's it. A full propeller. Wow. Wow, that is, that's really just something else. I can't believe I got a propeller. All this is cardboard. And this hub assembly kit, let's take a look at what's actually inside of this. Because I feel like this is the kind of stuff you guys will need to see. So see, there's whatever that part is. There's this part here. This actually even has a little number on it, 826074. All very nice feeling products. This is everything you should need to mount this. Look at that lug nut. I guess that's a lug nut in this term, but. And last but not least, that cool part. So there we go. That is everything that would come inside of this propeller kit. All of the parts that you would get. So this is what you can expect. Very good quality, all stainless steel. Very good quality. None of it feels cheap. I mean, this is legit. And there's that size on it again. But yeah, that's everything you would get inside of this propeller kit. Thanks for joining us today.